Let's look at 10 passive income ideas you've probably never thought of. Number 10, rent out your car. In the same way that you can list your home for rent or a room for rent, you can also list your car for rent. You can use a platform like Turo to rent your car to people and make passive income whenever you aren't using your car. Number 9, list your place on Airbnb. Airbnb is a platform where you can list your place for rent and make money. All you need to do is create a listing, describe your home, and set your price. There will be a little work required though. You'll need to meet your guests, show them around, and answer any questions they have, as well as clean up after them. But other than that, it's pretty much passive. Number 8, rent out your extra space. If you don't have a room or a house to list on Airbnb, fear not. You can always rent out your extra space for people needing storage. You can use a platform like Neighbor to rent out any extra space you may have so other people can store their stuff. You can rent out your driveway, garage, or business storage space. Number 7, vending machines. There are a few things you can do to make money with vending machines. You can either place vending machines in high traffic areas, or you can place vending machines in businesses. You can also stock your vending machines with a variety of items to appeal to different customers. Number 6, buy a car wash. There will be some routine maintenance from time to time, but other than that, a car wash is a great passive income stream. Number 5, storage rentals. You can own a set of storage rentals and receive monthly checks for letting other people rent these out. You might have to do a little work filling an opening for an available storage unit, but other than that, it's pretty much passive. Number 4, dividend stocks. One way to create passive income is by investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay out a portion of their profits to their shareholders in the form of dividends. This can provide you with a regular stream of income that doesn't require much effort on your part. Number 3, laundromat. One easy way to make passive income is by owning a laundromat. Laundromats are a necessary service for most people, and they are always in demand. Number 2, create greeting cards. If you have a creative side, you could try creating greeting cards and selling them to a wholesale or retail stationery company that accepts independent artist submissions. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way, you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, self-publish a book. Through platforms like Amazon, you can self-publish a book and earn royalties on it. You are in charge of setting the price of your book, and you'll be in complete control of your book's Amazon page. You can post pictures of the book, videos promoting it, and reviews. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.